Today we review Sun Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Sun Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer is the ultimate dirt fighter. Then you can give a try and grime will be gone. Get it and tackle those toughest outdoor, home and auto cleaning projects effortlessly. Its great pressure will remove road tar, insect splats from your cars, tree sap, and oil and rust stains, and much more. Check the description link for more. Power, performance and versatility will be yours when you own this stuff. You'll easily customize the adjustable spray and it will perfectly suit your cleaning task. Get this and clean your house outdoor with ease. What do you get with a Sun Joe SPX3000? 5 quick connect nozzles with onboard storage 0, 15, 25, 40, and soap. 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor. 2030 max psi. 1.76 GPM. CU score 3573. 20-foot hose. 2 0.9 L detergent tanks. 35-foot cord with onboard storage. GFCI plug. Safety lock switch TSS or total stop system. Full 2-year warranty. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.